and sweet. Ayat's chopping broccoli, oh so neat. Mixing colors, red, green, and gold. Healthy foods, a story to be told. Chop, chop, stir it up, let's begin. Cooking together with a big wide grin. Sprinkle some love in the pot today. Ashar and Aayat laugh the owls away. The blender's buzzing with a fruity roar. A smoothie spills a little on the floor. Aayat giggles, wipes it up with